So as John said, my name is Bobby Pellerin. I'm the Major of Operations for CCU Department of Public Safety. We just want to thank DTI and John Silver with Cumulus Media for bringing this technology to us. This is something that, when we look at keeping a campus safe, which is our main priority, new and innovative technology that's not only going to keep the campus safe, but also keep people healthy while doing that, is something that we look forward to, initiating in many events around campus, with the ability to run people through this passive portal scanner without worrying about the long-term effects. I think we're a step ahead of the game and really appreciate this type of technology. So I just want to, on behalf of Coastal Carolina University Department of Public Safety, thank DTI, Defense Technologies, and John Silver with Cumulus Media for thinking about us, thinking about how we can affect this community for the better, keeping both safe and healthy, and really appreciate you coming to us with this technology. Thank you very much.